back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a coq au vin.
That would be chicken and wine, for those that don't know.
Coq au vin, we have shallots, baby carrots, radish, fennel, of course. We got big birds, some barbecue onions, red pepper, of course, baby bella mushrooms, pancetta, a melange of aromatics, lemon, and then, of course, I have a nice dry sack sherry and a Cabernet Sauvignon. Voila.
Olive oil, sherry, and a whole bottle of wine. Minus a glass, of course. Plus all the aromatics. And then we're going to cover it up and let it marinate overnight.
Okay, I got everybody prepped there. This has all been marinating very nice.
And then about 10 minutes later, it's gonna be all seared. Looking good.
Now, it's time for the pancetta. Which we're gonna throw in like this, like bacon. Some people want it diced. I want it sliced. This is gonna get all that fat on the bottom, and you're just gonna love it.
Time for the sofrito, of course. That's going to be shallots, radish, baby carrots, the fennel, of course. And then we're going to be putting in the mushrooms half at a time, stirred up, and then the other half.
Okay, 15 minutes later, it's melted down pretty good. It's time to put in the elderberry flowers and the mustard. Now we're going to put the tomatoes on top of that. And then, of course, let that melt down for a little bit. Okay, here we go. We're going to put the sherry, some sherry in here. Now we're going to put ginger on top. Beautiful. And then, of course, the aromatics on top of that. Thyme and rosemary. And then, of course, we're just going to pour this right... Oops. Pour that right on top. With the pancetta.
And then we're going to add the chicken stock that I made. And then strain the rest of the wine. Cover her up, put her in the oven, 325 for 90 minutes. Tonight's side dish is going to be a little salad, spinach salad. Olive oil, lemon, little salt, little pepper, some red pepper on the side, and of course, feta cheese.
Very nice. Okay, let's plate her up.
First, we're going to get the fixins. And then I'm going to put a leg quarter on top of that. Very nice. And then some fresh ginger, some of the barbecue scallions, and then a scoopful of the ragu. Very good. Coq au vin. A wonderful plate of food. I must say, it doesn't look as good as it tastes. You know how that is. All right, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.